Let's move to automobile insurance. Page 3 of our book. AB 695 is our first bill, and this is one of a perennial attempts to repeal the motorcycle helmet law. It failed once again. AB 1063 is a bill that would have expanded the scope of underinsured motorist coverage by repealing the UIM offset. Right now, if a consumer purchases a certain amount of underinsurance motorist coverage, the insurer pays that amount less any amount of insurance that the at-fault driver may have. So there's an offset. Probably don't need to tell you who was responsible for this bill, the plaintiff's lawyers. Plaintiff's lawyers wanted to get rid of this offset so they could go after not only the full value of the underinsurance on the innocent parties, but also the full amount of whatever insurance the guilty party in the accident may have had as well. But this bill died. AB 1536 is kind of an interesting bill. AB 1536 modifies the law that says you can't talk or text while driving by saying it is okay if your smartphone has the capability to accept voice commands on text. This bill, I will say, runs counter to the trend. Most, at a federal level and at state levels, there is a movement to ban these devices completely at all times, under all circumstances. So it's interesting that California, being a technological hub, is kind of moving in a slightly different direction there. Our next bill, AB 1854, makes it illegal to rewire an airbag safety system to make it look like it's working when it isn't. Now, see, I love this bill because, you know, I think there's a great philosophical question that emerges all the time in the legislature. How can you legislate against utter stupidity? AB 1888 is a bill that affects commercial drivers. And it basically says that if someone with a commercial driving license gets a point on their driving record while driving personally, while on their Class C personal license or Class A motorcycle license, that they can actually go to driver school and get that point removed the same way any other driver could for things on their personal record. So it doesn't affect their employment.